So this is a video on how to pill a cat. We're going to start off with just regular pills. Because this cat does not actually need any pills, we're going to use pill pockets as kind of fake pills, which won't hurt him at all to stuff them down him. So you get your pill ready. There's a few different ways you can hold the head, and what works best really kind of depends a little on you and a little on the cat. The way I tend to do most of the time is having my back 2 fingers behind the skull and my front 3 fingers in front of the skull. And it gives me very good control of the head. I can move the whole head and even the cat around without hurting him at all. I think some people tend to hold it like this, but it gives you much less control and your hand slides a lot more. So really kind of your best grip is fingers behind skull and fingers in front of skull so that you're truly kind of holding the whole head. With that, I hold the head up so the cat's nose points towards the ceiling. When the head goes all the way up, the lower jaw will open just a little bit. That will allow me to put my finger here on the incisors between the big sharp pointy canines, open the mouth, drop the pill as far back as possible. I usually stuff it a little bit farther back with my finger. And then I drop and just kind of keep the head up until the tongue comes out saying that they swallowed, which his just did. So that's how I pill my normal, nice, cooperative cats. I do get some that are less inclined to cooperate with that. And in some cats, they end up doing better being scruffed and kind of pilled from the side. So the cat who really fights the technique that I just showed you, I will gently scruff them, put my finger on the side of the mouth, kind of behind the canine there to open it up, and stuff the finger pill back like that with my finger. And again, then kind of afterwards grip, holding the chin up until they've swallowed like he just did. And again, he's being such a perfect gentleman about all of this. For the cat that neither of those work well, then you end up using the pet piller. And the pet piller is a little plastic device. This is one brand, there's many varied ones. There's some rubber lips at the front of it, which you can put the pill in, and then there's a little plunger that shoves the pill out. And so you kind of put the pill between pull the plunger back, put the pill between the rubber lips, and then you can stick it as far back as possible in the cat's mouth and push it out to eject the pill in the cat's mouth. It does require that the pill fit in the rubber plunger. Capsules fit very nicely. If you have a small pill that doesn't want to stay in the plunger, then I'll coat it with a little bit of pill pocket. And I won't ever use a whole pill pocket because that's a big thing for a cat to swallow, but I'll use just enough pill pocket to coat the pill, and that often works very well. And then with this, you can do either technique. You can either do this to pill the cat, or you can do this to pill the cat and kind of squish it in from the side that way. With the pet pillar goes all the way to the back of the mouth. I eject the pill, and then the cat swallows.